Alright, I got a 2003 350Z, ran a misfire, kept on coming back up. Couldn't find which cylinder it was until we did a test on the cylinder balance, and the injectors came out to be number 2, and which is this one right here that is bad. That's what's causing the car to misfire. So in order for you to do this, you gotta take the manifold out, and here is the manifold taken apart. So hopefully this helped you guys if you guys having the same issue. All of a sudden you guys driving good and then you start getting random misfire. It doesn't tell you which cylinder is bad. We didn't want to replace the coil. We checked all the coils. Coil's good. We checked all the spark plugs. Spark was good, but still coming up with misfire. So these are very common on the 350Zs. So you check your fuel injectors. Those tend to go bad. All right. Thank you.